Okay, I just wanted to make this video of our dryer and our dryer vent. So, this is our dryer. It matches with the washer. It's the inside of the washer without any clothes in it. It's a Bosch. And that's what the things look like. It's like really weird options, not like more normal washers. And then there's, oh wait, no, the model number. Where's the model number? Let's see if it shows. It shows right there if you want to look at that. So that's the model number, and then this is the dryer, and still really weird options, and that's the inside. So I wanted to show you the dryer vent. So that's just on the other side of that wall there. This is the basement, so it's not like it's high up, it's just really low to the ground, but it's just because we're in the basement. And some houses that have their dryer vent super high up, and some people, their houses have their dryer vents super low, or even medium height, or just down to the ground. So this is the garage, and I'll show you the dryer vent. It's got 4 blades. Some dryer vents are different. I like the ones that have little flappers on them. I call them blades, but they could be called flappers too. It's just over here, and I think it's unique. Not all of them have 4 little flappy blades like that. Most of them just have 3. My dad's has 3 and it's white. I don't have to show you that one. It just has 3. But my mom's house, we lived in a house in Florida once, and it had 2 big blades, just one here and one here. It's like this was a blade and that was a blade, and there's just 2 blades, and it was really cool. This one kind of has a low pitch sound. My dad's dryer vent makes like a higher pitch sound. It's just interesting. Some dryers are different, some dryer vents are different. This one's doing pretty good, I'd say. I don't know for sure, but I've heard that when the blades flap like that, if there's no wind, excluding the wind, say if it's no wind at all, I hear that when the blades flap like that, or if they flap like a lot, then it means like the clothes are still damp or wet, because it seems to be like less air gets through the clothes and comes out of the vent every time it tumbles, so kind of like this. And when it's more dry, then it doesn't flap as much, but I don't know for sure. Yeah, that's the dryer vent at my mom's house. As you can see, it's very, very low to the ground. It's like a foot or 2 high up off the ground. That was the window right there, so the dryer is just basically like right there on the other side of that wall. This is the air conditioner. We had originally a swamp cooler in this house, which was up on the roof over there, but we were like, you know what, Utah, it goes from super cold in the winter to super hot in the summer. Wait, these houses are old, and back then central air wasn't that popular, and it's like 1970s. So back then it wasn't as bad, but now having a swamp cooler is just extremely hot. Like, they have a swamp cooler, so they don't have central air, but this neighborhood pretty much all has swamp coolers. But we had one, but we just like, you know what, this swamp cooler is a piece of junk, and it stopped working very good, and we just got central air, which was nice. So that's our air conditioner, just covered because it's winter time right now. As you can see, snow. There's the beautiful clouds and stuff. The sun's kind of over there. We're supposed to get very cold the next couple of days, like low of 2 or low of 4. As you can hear, Mia's in the house. She's sad because she wants to go out with me, and the door is closed, and I forgot that it was closed. So I'll let you see her. Come on, Mia. She's whiny. She's very, very dramatic, but she's cute. I remember when we first got her. There's the neighbor's cute dogs. She likes to play with them. Anyways, yeah, we got a lot of, well, not a lot of snow, but like around November we had a bunch of snow, which is really rare. There's our trees. There's one there, 2 cherry trees there. They got no leaves, and then tree there and all that stuff. And there's, yeah, as you can see, it's winter. And no sprinklers at all because it's winter. And I don't even think they'll work because these fiber optic people came in and installed all these things underground and probably broke the lines. They even made our power go out. They did it to my dad's house too. Don't know if the sprinklers will be broke or not in the spring. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's the dryer vent over there. And I hope you all enjoy.